This is the bird who opened the Dorito bag, eating Doritos, hopped up on the shelf and got the Doritos. Watch.
She's very hungry. Watch as she rips the Doritos head. He's still here. He's still here. Oh, he got to fly out.
He eating it too.
He eating them Doritos.
He's like, man, these things are cheesy. He got a big one out.
Look at him. See? Look at the bird.
Look at the pigeon. Here comes a pigeon.
And the bird is walking away. And here comes the pigeon. And I guess the pigeon's walking away. And who says animals can't steal?
Come back on. Come back on. Animals that steal food.
I don't know if the pigeon gonna eat or what. But here's the bag. The bird stole the Doritos.
No limits live. This is the no limits.
And there's a pigeon down here. Alright. Let's see if the pigeon will eat. And the pigeon's going bye-bye. Bye.